Hello everyone, now I'm in the dark forest with Nicron headlamp. It is the H11. Okay, it is a small headlamp that can use 14500 battery or normal 1.5 volt battery. Okay, you can use two type of battery with this headlamp. Okay, the main LED is Samsung for the spotlight. Okay, but for the floodlight I'm not sure what LED it is. Okay, let's see the beam shot. here. Wow, this is the highest mode, 500 lumen. See that? Very good throw. This one may be about I think 5000K. Okay, it's a bit yellow. Good throw. This is high. Okay, let me show high, medium. Okay, medium, and this is low. Okay, this is floodlight. Okay, floodlight high. For the floodlight, I can see things just about 10 meters, something like that. Okay, quite floody, but not too powerful. Okay, you can use it for short range, like in your house fixing things, something like that. This is the lowest mode of the floodlight. Okay, but you can still use it for walking around. Okay, this is spotlight low here, highest mode. You cannot turn on spotlight and floodlight at the same time. Okay, good things about this headlamp is it's quite light. Okay, lightweight and quite bright. And it is easy to find the battery. Okay, you can use normal battery, AA battery. I'll show you. Here is medium. Medium is good enough for walking around. Okay, low. Okay, you can also use low for walking around. Okay, this is floodlight low. Okay, okay, here floodlight high. Okay, very floody. Okay, here's the highest mode, spotlight. Okay, for spotlight, I like it. Really good throw and good spill. .500 lumens. Okay, very powerful for a headlamp with this size. Is it good for trail running? I think it's not good for trail running because the battery is too small. Okay, you need something bigger. But for camping, I think it's fine. Okay, camping, a headlamp for working, that's fine. Okay, okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.